Hungry after a long drive? Kelly O's or Carlos O'Brien's are perfect spots to have a snack and check out those downtown Kamloops views from the rooftop patio. Feeling full and wanting to walk it off? Peterson Creek's up next for a bit of nature viewing and waterfall hunting. As the sun goes down for the day, why not head to Iron Road, Kamloops' newest local brewery. Iron Road offers a friendly setting with activities and food for all ages. Stop by to enjoy some nachos and a flight of beer. Feel like keeping the night alive? Shark Club offers some of the best party nights in town. Off to bed, see you in the morning for breakfast at the best spot in town, Hello Toast. Always bustling with locals and tourists alike, better come early to get a table. Time to explore downtown. The smell of freshly brewed coffee will draw you right into the farmers market, where you will find local produce, artisan goods, and friendly Kamloopsians waiting to greet you with a smile. Keep those feet moving and experience Kamloops' one-of-a-kind mural tour. Plenty of buildings downtown are painted with the most colorful, eye-catching works of art. 10 out of 10 recommend checking it out. Although we haven't even scratched the surface of what Kamloops has to offer, that's about all we could pack in 24 hours. Come visit us again soon.